I'm going to go down a list. All right, fellas. And you tell me if you say yay or nay. Okay. Okay. First thing. Okay. Aliens.
I say nay.
You say nay. So not because there's one guy on Twitter who wrote a whole post about how he's an insider. You know, you get these insiders, 4chan, whatever. He's saying that there are aliens in the ocean. The aliens be chill doing their alien things in the ocean, but if you get close to them or you try and mess with them, he's saying that he's in the military and they have destroyed like vessels that have tried to intercept them under the ocean, but they're chill. They don't do anything. And you know, the most famous UAP video from the military that was off the coast of Florida that we've seen. That thing they're saying it was up in the air and then it went to the ocean. So there's a theory that there's something under the ocean. I don't know.
I'm not saying that that's not true.
Yeah, these are not that.
Yeah, exactly. I'm just saying that this is not that. Like, two things can be possible. And what they're doing now, to me, doesn't feel like aliens. You're telling me this whole time, motherfuckers with this technology have been under the ocean, and only now, for some random reason, they're just flying around US cities? That just doesn't make sense. Like, there's no logic behind that. You know what I mean? And again, I'm not saying like it couldn't be that there are aliens or whatever, other types of humans under the water. You know what I mean? Or humanoid beings, whatever, under the water. That's, I feel like a whole different conversation, but I don't think that that is this.
All right. So yeah, I think it's either the United States government testing shit or trying to replicate the UAP phenomenon to trick people, but it's definitely not actually aliens. But I'm a firm believer that aliens exist. It's just unlikely that we're the only, creatures, intelligent creatures.